Hey guys, good evening and welcome to day 6 of becoming fluent in English until I get like master in fluency in the communication. Okay, day 100. This is the challenge of day 100 days challenge. Okay, so today what I did, I have started new journey like these 100 days of becoming fluent in English. I have started another related to my profession academic. Okay guys, so what is it? It's actually I am a engineer IT professional. Okay, in the IT field I am learning, and I don't even think like I am building something, I am creating, I am inventing something special. So what I have started, I just started like a 100 days challenge of beginner to like a AI engineer journey. Okay, so I will upload, I will build, I will learn daily on LinkedIn, upload LinkedIn, GitHub, and learning from the YouTube, ChatGPT, and various types of AI models. And today what I learned what really the AI is not just like chat gpt gemini, not like this. It is just AI agents. Okay, so I learned today what AI is. Basically AI is not it's like a machine which basically things can operate and like do perform some operations. Okay guys, so ai I'm learning and building something, it understanding what AI is and different types of domains like machine learning, LLMs, generative AI, deep learning, and image processing. This type of different uh, like domains I have learned today, and basic concepts of AI I learned today, and I'm gonna to upload daily on YouTube, not YouTube, Instagram, not sorry guys, this is something gonna do crazy because I'm a content creator which uploads videos on Instagram, YouTube, so that's why it's coming in my mouth. But I will upload on my related to my job on LinkedIn and GitHub on the daily basis. I will learn daily, I will build daily, I will create daily, because guys, you know that the main thing important for the success or for improving, for growth, for achieving something in life is the consistency. Doesn't matter you are doing the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but you need to do it daily. So that's what I think for becoming successful in life, for becoming growing in life. Okay guys, so I will upload it daily, and I have started like on the, like you can see this, I am learning from the YouTube like a chat gpt bots and AI different kinds of, and you can see that I have already posted, not like this, I have already posted on the LinkedIn. Yeah guys, so basically let's look like I'm gonna to show you that this is not my first post. Let me just void it like full screen, and these are the my some kind of like AI profile, like LinkedIn profile guys. And I have some 207 connection because I didn't even started before LinkedIn, but I started when I'm in the second year guys, and I don't even like more active on this, but now I started becoming active, and this is the day first post of my started my AIML journey, you can see guys. And I have started something to build something, and my target is simple, like at the end of this challenge, after the 100 days, I am become so capable, able, or skilled in AIML that I can get any kind of internship and do it. Okay, and become knowledgeable about the AI more than normal guys. I just want to build connections on the platforms, social platforms like LinkedIn, by connected with the people which is on the my mindset or my profession, like AI, ML, engineering types. Okay, guys. So just because for that I'm improving this, I'm doing this, I'm gonna to do it. And for the fluency, this is the day 6 of the becoming fluent in English, and let's see what the progress happens for the after the next 100 days, and 94 days, maybe 94 days still remaining for improving, for becoming better in English. And now I have to start something else, like learning new words daily, like some kind of words in English dictionary are like so amazing. and you have to learn it daily and apply it on the daily basis on your life. So that is the important thing. Okay guys, so you have to adopt this word daily on the daily basis, and you have to apply it on your life and then practice it. Then your vocabulary will be improved, your English fluency will be improved, and at the end the general thing is you start communicating with the peoples on the camera, like you are uploading it, you are hearing on like your own. I think I suggest you guys, let's see my progress for the next 100 days, how much I become fluent in it. And if you see the progress, and if you want to be like me, with a good communication, with a good fluent in English, with a good vocabulary, then you will also start, you can also start this. So basically I'm documenting this journey for that purpose only, that I have the proof that I have done these kind of things too. That's why I am here guys. Okay, no one become like a top 1%, top 10%, or highly successful in their field in like a social skill directly, because this is the process. You have to build daily, you have to work on daily, you have to like be consistent and disciplined on the daily basis. That's why this is the success, this is the like a marathon. You don't get it like you paid and you get, not, this is not like instant thing. It's a slow progress, it's a like a patience. You need to be patient for achieving these things. Okay guys, so be patient, start this journey, and life is so sexy, so like so amazing guys. Okay, and so beautiful. You just start it, just keep learning, keep doing, and this is the journey which teaches you how to live, how to grow, how to, what's the actual meaning of life. This journey tells you, and the achievements of this by doing so much hard work, struggle, and facing so many obstacles in your life, you will so learn, and you will become more stronger and stronger, and live life more happily, and you will learn the way to live the life best way. Okay, so I think this is the for the day 6 of learning becoming fluent in English, and I will start learning the new words from the tomorrow. Okay guys, and for the today I didn't like search, because I have some other works, because I went to like a bank and I have some work there. So still now this is the winning, and I have started like this journey now, and working on it since past 1 hour. Okay guys, and now recording the video because I have to keep continue this journey also. So I think if anyone wants to be consistent na, he can do anyway. Okay, some people say like if I done hard work, like I'm busy, I had some work on the day, like I have busy for since the till morning till evening, so I will not do for the today. No, you can do at night. If you like you, if you have to do, you can do it anyway. You will be like a put like get a time, you will take time from anything. Okay guys, so this is the something like you have to grasp time from the obstacles from your day, and you can manage it, you can apply it, and you can learn, you can build on the daily basis. So this is the something which you everyone needs to learn for achieving something great. Like you have to do something unique from the others. So you, if you do something unique, something crazy, something hard work, something disciplined rather than 99%, then you will be definitely become the 1%, and you will definitely become successful and definitely do the growth. Okay, so this is the my basic learning of the day 6, and keep doing guys, keep hustling, life is so beautiful, and keep learning daily, and meet you guys tomorrow. Till then, see you, bye bye.